I'm going to unbox today Samsung Galaxy A71. I purchased this mobile last night and it has been delivered this morning. So let's start unboxing. Okay, this is the receipt from Samsung. Let's see what's inside the box. This is the phone. We can see the name here, Samsung Galaxy A71. Now let's see what's inside the box. This is a SIM ejector. This one is SIM ejector. Let's keep this one aside and let's see what's inside there. Nothing else in this box. Okay, then this is the phone itself, the main device, and there is a headphone inside the box. It's black. So this is the headphone. So I'd like to mention here that I'm taking this video on normal daylight. There is no any inside lighting. So this is a soundproof headphone. The color is matched with the mobile device color, the same as black. And okay, there were 2 extra buds. There are not 2, actually 4 extra buds. The other thing is mentioned here, this charging cable is to connect with this charging adapter, but both sides are none of this end of the charging cable is USB. So it's like not like USB 2 or USB 3. So is to size. The other side is the same size for the charging to the adapter and to put inside the cable, so it's different. So if you want to connect your mobile to your computer, so you need a different converter to transfer your data. So let's see the mobile device. So this phone is the actual color is not the actual black. This is Prism Crush Black. It's a little bit glaze of sapphire, so it seems like a little bit blue, glaze a little bit blue. So there are 4 cameras, 4 rear cameras, and one is 64 megapixel, the other one is 12, and the other 2 cameras are 5 megapixels each. And all the cameras are autofocus, 8x digital zoom, and all of them there is one flash for all cameras. This is the speciality of this phone is the rear camera. One of the rear camera is really high resolution, 64 megapixel, and the front camera is 32 megapixel, but it doesn't have any. The front camera doesn't have any flash, neither it has any focus, but it is also good resolution. Normally is much better than other mobiles, like it's 32 megapixel front camera. So, and we have 3 slots. So there were 3 slots. The one slot is for memory, SD card. The other 2 slots are for micro nano SIM cards. So you can use dual SIMs, 2 nano SIMs you can use on this mobile. And the display is, let's start, is 6.7 inches display. It's not too wet. It doesn't have 2 weights. So it is 179 gram weight. And the memory is 128 GB. So, and the RAM is 6 GB RAM. The processor is about this processor is probably 2.8 gigahertz, and 1.8 gigahertz. It is very thin border. It is very thin line border, and with a good display, 6.7 inches. So this phone has, to the left there is one slot for SIM and micro SD cards. Okay, you can see there are two small places for two nano SIMs, the other one for micro SD. So there are one slot for everything. There's nothing else to the left. And on the right side there are two buttons. One is the long button for volume ups and downs, and the other one is for sleep and wake up. Okay. To the bottom is for sound mic, and micro SD is for USB-C port for charging, and for microphone jack. And on the top there is a small hole. You can see this for mic in, the sound get in. So this is the phone from the outside, and if I turn on the phone, this is the size of the phone. So it's 6.7 inch, 120 GB include memory, internal memory, and you can include up to 512 memory card as external memory in the slot. And the other thing is you can use as touch ID, or you can face ID recognition camera to unlock the phone. So keep in mind that the button on the side, to the right side, this button is to wake up and sleep. However, this button doesn't work at the beginning to switch off the phone. So you need to set up the button if you want to use this button as switch off and switch on. If you want to switch on this phone or switch off, then you need to go to, actually switch off, not switch on. You need to go to here, and then power off. Switch off now. And that's all. So thank you for watching.